Correct.
Yes.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to all of you. My name is Saiful Azhar
Hello.
bin Abdul Qadir, and my metric number is J46255.
Hi guys, Assalamualaikum everybody. My name is Shahrul Nizam bin Jafar. My matrix number is J46254. Nice to meet you again, guys. And how are you doing tonight?
Fine, thank you.
Right.
Hi guys, my name is
Hi.
Muhammad Khairul Shafiq.
Alhamdulillah.
And my matric number is J46212, and nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
Hi
to meet you.
guys.
Hi Azwan.
Welcome back today for second week.
Okay.
Okay, my name is Saiful Azhar bin Muhammad. My matric number is J46268. Nice to meet you again.
Okay, as all we know, we will doing a second video that is share information gathered about the first gadget that we choose, which is a laptop. So we need to talk about laptop itself and its special features or characteristic, function, brand, or something else. So who wants to start first? I think
I want to start first, Mr. Saiful. I want to talk about
all right.
What is the purpose of inventing of a laptop, and for its usage, the benefits that we can get from the laptops. So I think that laptop, for the main reason is for us to use it as a main gadget is because of the portability. We can either bring it mobility from our home to our work to our office, and it's a flexible one. So I think it's more useful than other gadgets like smartphones, because laptop can bring us with special features like Windows XP, some type of lightweight laptop. We can access internet with it, and the most important thing is the battery backup, because we can recharge it very fast. And some part of our laptop is being high-end, like Windows XP, i7, the processor. It can manage our work very faster. So how about you guys?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay. You go.
I agree with Shahrul, and I want to add on from my point of view. Actually, if we see from our perspective, as we as a learner and also as a worker, we're using laptop almost every day. The first thing, and we have been using a laptop for more than a decade. Start from maybe 1990 until now, and it will come more increasing in portability, more increasing in the sophisticated and more and above all. So the first thing I see that the first main reason for us to have a laptop is as a productive way for our devices, which is it helps a lot of our job during maybe we are using for the words, or we use it for looking at information and more and a lot of that. And furthermore, most of the world are all connecting by the internet, and all the world are connecting by the information on via surface web. So this portability laptop, which give a lot of our benefits, we can use in diversity in every form, because it only used by our hand, and we want to search during anywhere even. The only thing that we need is the Wi-Fi. So for me, it's a productivity devices that can use, and it will not be what we call it being sophisticated and more portability until the end of the world. So how about you? How about the others?
I agree about what Mr. Khairul said, because for my opinion, for laptop, some program can be used in laptop, not in like as a smartphone. So if we do our work or assignment for student, it's comfortable with using laptop, because some software like Microsoft Word or some research we can use laptop. What about others?
Okay, you guys, I would like to ask you guys, what kind of brand do you have in what we call yeah, what do you think, the brand, the good brand or anything lah?
For my
I think-
opinion,
Yep. Okay, as well.
Yeah, Azwan.
my opinion, the brand that I suggested is like HP, because as we know, HP brand is one of the early brand of the laptop. So there is an advantage and disadvantage for HP brand.
Okay, for me,
You know what,
I
Azwan, I think I agree with your opinion, but the most important thing about laptop is, for choosing the brand is our money. You know, I
Yes,
think we all agree how much
Yes.
money we have. If you have much more money, you can choose either Apple or like that.
Yes,
Mac or
I agree.
like that. Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah,
But
that's correct.
depends. Is there any brand that can suit our budget for like us studying, you know, and working, so that it can manage our benefits with our range of budgets that not so thoroughly very high range, or so that very high, what we call it as a high-end product that
High-end product.
also cannot high-end product that we cannot manage our salary to buy it. Yeah.
Yeah, for my
You
personal,
agree about it? Yeah.
yeah, I agree with you, Mr. Sharul. But in my opinion, I think the best laptop nowadays, I think is Apple. But Apple is quite the price is quite high. So for me myself, I can afford the type of laptop is only Lenovo, but I don't care about the brand actually, but as long as we can do our job, we can do our work, I think the brand is not the important thing. What about you guys?
So Mr. Saiful, now you using Lenovo brand for laptop, eh?
Yeah, I use Lenovo
Oh,
brand.
same with me. Same with me, Lenovo brand.
So how about you,
Because-
Shafiq? Do you use
Okay,
XP or what?
It's quite
Okay.
cheap, and you know,
Yeah.
You know, guys,
Okay, for
I
me,
would like to touch
because
about one brand, is it? From Huawei. I think it's more advanced rather than Apple. You know, because that brand is much more sophisticated and a type of lavish one lah. But we can manage to buy it like Huawei MateBook X Pro. It's very thin, very light to carry, and it's powerful with i7 processor. And the range is around, I think about around 5,000 to our budget lah in ringgit Malaysia.
So Azwan, what do you think about the processor? Do you think that AMD or Windows is good for you?
AMD or Intel Core.
Intel Core, yes. Sorry, Intel Core.
Yes, I think AMD or Intel Core is you know, like it's something like for some company is using Intel Core. If we use for work, I think it's usable like Intel Core, but for gaming, I think is AMD. For you guys?
What about you, Khairul?
okay, for me, okay, I want to add on. Actually,
Yeah.
if you want to see from the specification of our laptop, it's
Yeah.
actually it must be suited with our work and our duty and our persona itself. Because in each of every laptop, they have been created and have been built according to the specific own of the duty and specific own of you for it reason. For let's say if you are really trying to if people who are just maintaining a work just using a words, Microsoft Words, or maybe just doing a typing job, or maybe someone who are in the writing field, maybe the very suitable laptop that it will be suited for them is maybe the lower end specification of laptop.
Yeah.
Maybe i3 is enough for them. Maybe Athlon is enough for them because they doesn't need a lot of graphic
Yeah.
spec to be high enough. Okay, rather
Yeah.
than people who are actually in engineering thing, maybe in design
Software
field.
designer, yeah. Software
Yeah, so
designer.
they need a
So
lot
they
of
need,
bigger software.
Hmm.
So
they need
actually,
more.
for me, they need more. So actually, the specification is everything is suited with us. Is
Yeah.
it we are using how about? And for me, if we are saying that this laptop is good, maybe MSI laptop is good, or maybe Lenovo is very jargon actually. It's very
Yeah.
jargon because it's hard and very flexible to everyone. So it's not really technically specific to each and everyone. But let me as myself, I'm using MSI laptop because I'm as a translator, and for I also as a writer. So I need some kind of high end, neutral end, a high end, not too low and not too high.
Not too high.
So
In
maybe
the
around
middle.
budgeting
At the middle.
in the middle,
Yeah.
not budgeting thing in 2 to 3,000 ringgit.
Yeah.
So that from my point of view.
I think we better prefer for the
Okay.
hybrid
So
one.
how about
We can choose either to play a games and also to make a work by the processor. By now, I think most of
I agree
people
with Mr. Shahrul, right?
doing well and also doing playing the games. For
Because
the new generation like that.
that
Yeah.
time we stress about working, so we play game. So
Yeah.
why don't we choose 2-in-1
Yeah.
2-in-1.
If
2-in-1.
there's a hybrid one,
or all
if
in
there's a
one?
hybrid, if there's a hybrid,
the
I will
all-in-one
choose the
is
hybrid one.
Two
Yeah,
in
isn't it?
one is, I think the price is quite high. 2-in-1. But
Yeah.
if you can afford,
Yeah.
you can buy it. No problem. Right.
Yeah, depends on our salary.
because actually
Yeah. Depend. It depends.
if we are seeing a lot of gadget, most of gadget, the laptop is very more than more pricey than the other gadget. Maybe if our smartphone
I agree
lower
about that. Yeah.
from our laptop, but tablet
Yeah.
also some of them are lower from our laptop.
Yeah.
So maybe for someone who have been purchasing the laptops, is actually a very typical and very what we call something difficult to make a choice actually. So for me, it's quite investment for the laptop, but it must be seen. Is it they use the laptops very productively or not?
Yeah, depends on the purpose lah. Yeah, depends on the purpose. It's either you
So-
want to do it for graphic designer or just writing like Shafiq. Then we can choose the kind of range that benefits for us.
So for conclusion,
For sometimes users like me, so I choose like like cheaper brand or just to use for assignment,
Yeah.
for work.
I think,
I do think here that
someone
yeah, I do think that the benefits that we can get from laptops is much more than other gadgets. But we must discuss about other gadgets like tablets after this, because there's a hybrid one like Surface, Microsoft Surface is more hybrid one, not like more. It's not a tablet, it's not a laptop, but it's a hybrid one because you can put accessories of the keypad for using like laptop. So I think the next video we can discuss about it, and then we can have our conclusion after the fourth of our choosing the best gadgets for us.
okay. I think
Sure, no
that's all for our meeting tonight. Mr. Shahrul has concluded for our topic that we choose this for the second video, which is a laptop. So till we meet again. Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. Thank you guys.
Bye.
Thank you again.
Have a good night.